Hi, my name's Brooklyn. This is my son, King. We found Well Rounded Momma when we moved here from Northern Virginia. I found them off of Yelp. I first came here to an open house and I picked Tori as my midwife, and then I later picked Emily and Annie as my two doulas. My birth experience was truly one of a kind. I'm so thankful every single day for everybody at Well Rounded and for Tori, Emily, and Annie. I truly felt in control and I felt powerful, and I really felt like I had exactly what I imagined my birth would be like. I really appreciate being a client here because I don't feel like for 1 second that I was a dollar sign. I started off my my prenatal care at a local OB here, and I would wait in the waiting room for 2 hours, and then I would finally see the doctor, and we only spoke for 10 minutes. By the time I got to see the doctor, I couldn't remember any questions I wanted to ask. I would leave feeling completely uneducated. I had no idea what I was getting myself into or what to expect for labor. The only thing I even knew was everything that I saw off of movies and TVs. I had no real life experience. And so coming here, I never had to wait. Tori always sat down, and I would be here for an hour or even 2 hours sometimes. I would leave and I genuinely felt so much love and appreciation in my heart. I felt like I wasn't going to a doctor's. I felt like I was going to my family, and I was being cared for by people who really genuinely cared about me and my son and all of my family. It really meant a lot. I would recommend a mom to a well-rounded mama because I think it's really important to have a say in your own body and have a say in your own care and have your own opinions heard, because I felt like anytime I went to a doctor's office, I felt like I wasn't being heard, or you're just a number, just an average, and I really felt like my own personal opinions and feelings, and I felt like who I am as a person was considered as a whole in my birth journey.